If you drink honey water every day, what happens to your body? First, your skin will be as smooth and soft as before because honey is a powerful natural moisturizer that deeply nourishes the skin and makes it glow. What's more, the quality of your sleep will also improve. Eat a small spoonful of honey before bed, and you will enter a deep and restful sleep. But it doesn't stop there. You'll also get rid of infections and sore throats. Honey has antibacterial and antiviral properties that help boost your immune system and protect you from everyday illnesses. Honey is a digestive aid and can relieve indigestion and stomach upset. It can promote the secretion of stomach acid and help food to be better digested and absorbed. In addition, honey is a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help you stay healthy and feel good. Although honey contains sugar, its natural sweetness may cause blood sugar levels to rise more slowly than regular sugar, so it can be used as a better option for blood sugar control.